Hi, my name is Emily Turpak and I am a real estate agent in Philadelphia and the surrounding suburbs in Pennsylvania and South Jersey. In this video, I'm going to be talking about your closing costs as a seller. So as a buyer, you had closing costs, and as a seller, you will as well. But what is the breakdown of those costs? Great question. As a seller, you will pay commission for both me as your listing agent and the buyer's agent. And this commission is usually evenly split between me and the other agent so that it's fair. You will also be responsible for transfer tax, but this is going to vary depending on where you live. In Philadelphia, it's 2.14% of the purchase price. In New Jersey, it's 1% of the purchase price. And in the Pennsylvania suburbs, it's anywhere between 1 and 1.5% of the purchase price. Another aspect of closing costs for a seller is going to be the city/township inspection. Now, these inspections are usually pretty surface level, nothing to the extent of what a buyer's home inspection would be, but they'll run you anywhere between $75 and $150 depending on where you live. In Philadelphia, they just want to make sure that you don't have any violations on the property. And in the suburbs, they mostly care about smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and that your sidewalks are not heaved more than a half inch. And if you don't plan on attending closing and need to sign the paperwork and the deed ahead of time, then you as the seller might incur a deed prep fee from the buyer's title company. This might run you between $100 and $200. And if the buyer's title company is arranging your mortgage payoff, there might be a small fee for that too. It's also important to note that all of your taxes, HOA fees if you have any, gas bill, water bill, sewer bill, they will all be trued up at closing. So if you're closing in October and you've paid your taxes through the end of the year, you'll actually get reimbursed from the day of closing through December 31st. And if you're closing, say October 15th, but your gas bill was due on October 7th, you'll then owe your gas bill from October 8th through the 15th, and that will be taken out of your proceeds at closing. And finally, if you're selling in New Jersey and you want to use an attorney to represent you, then that will also be part of closing costs. And for that, I would estimate anywhere between $1,000 and $1,300. So if you're curious about how much you'll walk away with after closing costs, reach out. I'm always happy to crunch those numbers for you and give you an estimate. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tap that like button and click here to subscribe. And for more videos, click here and here.